Ndewo. Hello and welcome to Asụsụ Igbo, a channel dedicated to helping you learn Igbo language. In this video, we are going to learn common Igbo greetings. We are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido. Greeting is an integral part of Igbo culture. There are many types of greeting that can be said at different times of the day, life events or activities. Here are some common greetings in Igbo to get you started and greeting confidently in most situations you may find yourself in. A common greeting to say in the morning is Ibolachi. Nnemu Ibolachi. Nnam Ibolachi. Chike Ibolachi. Ibolachi. A common greeting to say in the afternoon is Ndewo. This is a casual greeting that can be likened to saying hello. It can also be said when you meet someone or want to make your presence known. Ndewo, aha m bụ Kelechi, olee otu ị mere ụbọchị taa? Ndewo, unu ọ dịkwa mma? Ndewo no, ana m ekele. Ndewo. A common greeting to say goodbye at night or when you are about to go to bed at night is Kachifo. When someone has done something nice for you, a common greeting to say is Imeela. You can also say Daalụ. Imeela nwanne m nwoke. Imeela nwanne m nwanyị. Imeela ọfụma. Daalụ nke ọma. A common greeting to say when a person is working is Jisie ike. This could be said as a general work greeting or when you want to encourage someone working hard towards a goal. Jisie ike n'ọrụ ị na-arụ. Jisie ike ka ịhụ na ị dechara akwụkwọ ahụ n'oge. Jisie ike. When you meet someone who is sick or has lost a loved one or is going through a difficult time, a common greeting to say is Ndo. You can also say Jisie ike. A common greeting to say as you welcome a visitor is a no. Chike no. Nwannem no. When a person is traveling, you say Ijeọma. Unu hapụwala ngwanụ Ijeọma. Unu gawala ngwanụ Ijeọma. We hope you enjoyed this video. We would like to keep bringing you more content such as this to help you towards your journey of learning Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let us know how you are progressing along your journey of learning Igbo language. If you would like us to notify you when we put out a new video, hit subscribe and turn on your notification button. Daalụ, anyị ga-ahụ gị n'oge na-adịghị anya.